20 or so. All right. Okay. All right. So نبدأ. She treat. What does that mean? She treat.
What do you want?
What do you want? And which part is the you in there?
T.
I.
The T. That's right. The
Oh,
T. This is the you want.
And I will be I. No, I mean,
sorry.
If it's what I want, it will be I. It will be irid or what?
Irid, yes, irid. It's a verb that's a little bit different, and I will show you the whole verb in a moment. So it's yina irid. Actually, I'll do yin just so I can do it with the I. Yina irid, I want. And the reason is because it starts with an R. So when it's an R, we don't put the N. Okay, we don't put the N like this. We don't say inread. Okay, it doesn't work that way. So there are some letters that when they are doubled like this, or when it's an R especially, we put the E there, the vocalita lehen. If it's yina, then this vocalita lehen is not needed, and it is written like that. Yina irit. Both the same. Okay, both the same. So this question says, what do you want? Shitrit. Okay, shitrit. Okay, I'm just going to read this, and I'm going to ask you to read it each one. Okay. Giuseppe fitminia ta filodu. Okay, Max.
Giuseppe fitminia ta filodu.
Minia.
Okay.
Evie.
Giuseppe fitminia ta filodu.
Bravi. Unizel al colazion, Max.
Unizel al colazion. Colazion. Ion. Yep.
Unizel al colazion.
Bravi. Okay. Now, Evie, do you understand any words in those two sentences?
Something Giuseppe, something he's in the morning doing.
Yeah. Good. Hang on a minute. Morning. I just want to see what Evie understands. Morning. Yes.
Yeah. And, same as me.
Anything else, Evie?
He something, I don't know what nizel. Colazione, it's a breakfast.
Brava. Breakfast. Okay. Okay, Max, can you fill in any blanks there?
Let's collect
No, that's the same as me.
That's all right.
I didn't know breakfast. Nizel would eat. I don't know. Giuseppe is his name. And Taminia. Taminia is a number. Oh, 8. Sorry.
Yes. Okay. So what's arm? Hang on. Let's have a look at the verb. What's arm? Any of you? Arm.
Is it wakes?
Right, so wake up.
Only because it makes sense that he wakes up.
Yeah, woke up. It's actually woke. It's actually in the past. Okay. Woke up. So Giuseppe woke up. Fit is made up of 2 words. In the. So in English, we say at. We say at 8 o'clock in the morning. But in Maltese, when we're talking about time, when we want to say 8 o'clock, we say itminia. We don't have the word for o'clock. Itminia. That is 8 o'clock. Okay. So if I say to you, Shenu, what time is it? You say itminia. I know that you're saying it's 8 o'clock. We don't have o'clock. Okay, we say tafilodu to mean of morning. Of, ta is of. All right, so this translates to Giuseppe woke up at 8 o'clock of morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. Ta filodu. Okay, un nizel. Nizel means that, not Nicole, I think you're thinking of Nicole.
Yeah.
Mags, yeah. Nizel means that he's upstairs and he went down. Nizel is he went down. Went downstairs. Went down. So he went down for breakfast. Okay. Any questions about that?
No.
No? All right. Can I have you both read that? Mags first. Imbat. Imbat. When I say imbat, what do I mean? Imbat. Or
Again.
imbat and then. And then. So.
And then
Mags.
Evie.
And then Evie. Imbat Evie. All right. Ibda start.
Giuseppe fit Minia Taffilodo u Nisel al Colazion. Colazion. Colas. It's the J that's getting me. Yon. Colazion. I have to break it down in my head.
Yes, it's an Italian word that we don't use it very much in Malta, especially in Gozo, but it's coming to be part of the language.
What do we use for breakfast in Gozo?
We didn't.
Oh, okay.
Because we didn't have breakfast. We only had a bala cafe, a coffee, and maybe, a piece of bread and a piece of cheese. So it wasn't even a breakfast. We never sat down for breakfast.
I still don't.
No, that's just how it is. Yeah. Okay. All right, Evie, intimis.
Giuseppe Fitminia Tafilodu who Nizel al colazion.
Tayyip. It's not who.
Oh.
What is it?
Oh. Yes.
E. Because who has another meaning. Does anybody know what this one with the her?
Fish?
That means brother.
brother.
Who. Okay, so this is he with the akka. Who is brother. Okay, all right, take. Now we've got Maria Giuseppe. All right. Mags, you're Maria, Winty, Giuseppe, Evie. All right, okay. Let's read it right through. Don't worry too much about the English at the moment. I just want to hear your pronunciation. Ibda Maria, start Maria.
Bonjour, Giuseppe.
Bonjour, ma.
She treat Tishrob. Sorry.
Irid te jak jodžbok.
Oh, hang on, that was me. Sorry. Irite, yeah, Yojbok.
No, you're Maria.
Oh, sorry.
Maria.
I just
Bilhalib. Oh, sorry. Bilhalib.
Bilhalib was with me. It was okay. Eva ubis sokor.
She treat Tikol.
Ops mishui.
Bilbete pesu jobon.
Le grazie. Bil jam bhal ochti.
Taiba Hafna.
All right. Okay. Did you understand some of that?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What about you, Evie? I'm just keeping this.
Eva.
Oh, good. Tayyip Hafna. Now, let me just bring up my little board here, just so I can, we can go through it together. All right. Okay. Essa nibdew. Let's start. Okay. So shitrit is what do you want? Okay. Maria says, okay. Bonjour, Giuseppe. This was your one, Mags. What does it mean?
Good morning, Joseph.
That's an easy one. Okay. Giuseppe says, bonjour, ma. Evie?
Good morning. I don't know, Ma. So what's Ma?
Ma is the mother. Ma.
Oh,
Ma.
all
Okay,
right.
Ma. So Maltese call their mother Ma. In Malta, they tend to call her Mama, Mummy. Okay, Ma is just shortened version. Okay, Ma. All right. Maria says,
what would you like to drink?
What would you like to drink? And then Giuseppe says, Irrite jakjoġbok.
I want tea, please.
Good. Maria says, bil halib.
With milk.
With there's the I'm going to put the there. Okay. So here, bil, there's the B, which means with. Il sink is the, and there's the milk. With the milk, but in English, we just say with milk. Okay? Okay, Giuseppe says, Eva, u bit soccor.
Yes, and with sugar.
So Maltese use the more often than in English, okay? Oh, so yes, or bits. Now, Evie, why is it bits, even though that means with the? Why is it the same as bill? Bill and bits.
Because the next letter is ts.
Mm-hmm. So it's a sun letter. That's right. So il halib, the milk, that's a moon letter. Bil halib. We can't say bil zokkor because ts is the sun letter. So it's bit zokkor.
Yes.
Bit zokkor. Okay. Mads, you remember the rules?
Yeah, kind of.
Yes, fine.
We need to.
All right.
I need to remember. Yes.
That's okay. Right. I was sending you those nouns last couple of weeks.
Yes. And I'm just going to show, let me just show what Evie's been doing, and you both can if you want to.
I will continue, in fact.
What's that?
I will continue.
Yes, please. I'll just show you, Mags, what she's been doing. So every day she sends me a word in Maltese. Every day. Look, il borma, il bzar, il mel. All right. So if you want to continue doing that, Evie, can you do it in the group? So then our Mags can see it?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So and in fact, I'm practicing this moon and sun
letters.
Yes. Letters, because I'm writing you with hyphen every time.
Yes, brava. And also on the go one, you know, the article, I go over that the first few lessons anyway. All right. Essa, yes, with the sugar, Eva bit soccor. Maria says, shitriti kol.
What do you want to eat?
But Giuseppe says, hops mishwi.
Bread.
Yeah, mishwi.
What is mishwi? What is
bread
mishwi?
With something? I don't know.
Yeah. So the word mishwi means toast. Toasted bread. Okay. Now in English we say, I'd like a toast, please. But in Maltese you can't say mishwi by itself because mishwi literally means grilled or toasted. So you have to use hops mishwi. Okay. So I'm not going to write the word bread. That's because we don't say it. Okay, bread. We say just toast. Toast. Okay, toast. Maria says, bil butir per zut u jobon.
So some butter and cheese?
Yeah, what's per zut? Anyone know what per zut is?
No, I don't know.
Small?
Le, butter, ham, Perzut is ham, and jobon is cheese. All right. Okay. Giuseppe says, that's a question. Le grazie bil jam halochti. Maybe that's you.
Okay. No, thank you. Or let's no. No, thank you. With jam. I don't know what halochti.
Is Otti sister?
Yeah, yeah.
What?
With like, so Pal is like my sister. Ochti.
Ochti is a sister. I don't know. Oh.
Yeah. Now Ochti is my sister. My. So the I at the end is the my. My sister. Ochti.
Sister.
Okay. Ochti. All right. Okay. And Maria says Tayyip Hafna. Very good. All right. Very good. Tayyip Hafna. All right, so let's read it again this time with meaning, now that you know what it means. But before, are there any questions?
No. So, okay. Persut, it's ham. Okay.
It's ham, either. Okay, and bill is with the. Okay, the B is the with. All right, Ibda, let's swap over this time. So Maria, it's you, Evie, or Giuseppe is Mags. Okay, Ibda Maria, start Maria.
Yeah, I am now I am okay. Anna Maria.
Into Maria.
Bonjour Giuseppe.
Bonjour ma.
She treat تشرب
أريد تاي يعجبك.
بالحليب.
إيوه وبالسكر.
She treat تاكل
خبز مشوي.
بالبوتير برسوت وجبن.
لا جراسي بالجمبال أوتي.
طيب حفنة.
Great. Okay, so this here is the only one I'll check for you. So this is when you see the pal, yeah, pal, pal.
Yeah, that's gonna get me.
Pal. Okay.
Pal.
All right. Okay. Good job, everyone. Okay. So I'm going to get you to add to this. All right. After we do a few things today. All right. Okay. So let me take this off and let me bring up this here. All right. So let's have a look at this. I've just made a couple of minor changes. Minor. In a minute, we've done these. All right. So I'm going to ask this one here. Kifinti Seira. How are you doing? How are you going? Okay, the word Seira is feminine going. All right. Can you reply with one of these, Mags and Evie? But I want you to add either and. How do we say and?
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh.
How do we reply because?
Ash.
Ash. And what about but?
But Mela. Pero.
Pero is one of them.
Imma.
Another one starting imma.
Imma.
And what's the other one?
Ista.
Okay, so all of these are buts. This one is because. And this one is and. Right, so I want you to use one of these to join two sentences. I'll model it for you, the first one. Okay, kif inti sejra, Rosemary. Let me see. Jina binas, okay, I'm sleepy. Jina binas illum. Ash Andi Hafna Schnamel. So I am sleepy because I am very busy. Andi Hafna Schnamel. Okay. All right. Mags, your turn. Kif inti sejra, Mags?
Jina tajba, ħafna grazzi. Hang on a sec. Inħossni feħana.
Brava. Ash, fejn. Inħossni.
Did we have to take it from that thing? Sorry, that's what I was looking at. I didn't know.
It's up to you. Up to you. Okay. So
okay.
In
Hosni Fahana, Ash Lewel Lesiona.
Ash Lewel, the first. Lezioni.
Lezioni. I couldn't remember.
Lezioni. Ash Lewel Lezioni today. How do you say today?
Illum.
Okay. So let's just put this together. All right. Let me ask you again. Do those three together.
Okay.
Okay. Kif inti sejra, Mags?
Jina tajba ħafna grazzi. Ash inħossni faħana l-ewwel lezzjoni illum.
I would put Ash as well. Ash, I would put because. So I'd put Ash here as well. Ash illum, because today, l-ewwel
lezzjoni. Okay.
And you can put Ash after this one. Kif inti sejra, tajba ħafna grazzi. Ash inħossni ferħana. Ash illum, l-ewwel lezzjoni. How do you say of Maltese? Maltese lesson.
Maltese.
Tal-Malti.
Tal-Malti.
Okay, Tal-Malti. All right. Write that down as I'm talking to Evie. So next week you can reply with that. Okay. Good practice. All right. Evie, kif inti sejra?
Jana. How to say? Jana. Ayana, right? Jana Ayana Hafna. Ash Andi Hafna Schnamel.
Today.
Oh, every day. Last days.
Illum. Okay, today.
Right.
And let me
how to say last days?
Oh, because you had, so you need to use this first one. Kelly Hafna Schnamel. I had lots to do.
Kelly Hafna. Okay. Ash Kelly Hafna Schnamel.
That's it. All right, let me ask you again. Kif inti sejra illum, Evie?
Jena Ayena Hafna. Ash Kelly Hafna Schnamel.
Brava. Okay, fantastic. All right. Now, you don't have to put the yina ayina or the yina taiba. You can just say ayina. Ayina hafna lum, ash kelli hafna shnamel.